Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wanted a lipstick that stays put from morning meetings to after dinner drinks? Well, today we're talking about a product that promises just that, the KIKO Milano Unlimited Double Touch Gift Set. This lip kit comes with 3 two-step liquid lipsticks in varying shades, so whether you're in the mood for something bold or subtle, you're covered. But does it really live up to its claims of long-lasting wear and comfort? Let's break it down. The KIKO Milano Unlimited Double Touch Gift Set includes 3 two-step liquid lipsticks. Each set consists of a base color and a gloss. The base formula is designed to adhere to your lips, ensuring long-lasting color, while the gloss layer adds a shiny, radiant finish. This combination promises to provide not just vibrant color, but comfort and hydration as well. What's interesting is that the formula is enriched with film-forming polymers, which help maintain the color without feeling heavy or dry, making it a great choice for those who don't want to constantly reapply throughout the day. Now let's talk about the experience. These lipsticks go on smoothly, and the two-step process isn't as cumbersome as you might think. The base layer applies evenly, providing an instant pop of color. Once you've let that set for a moment, the gloss adds a soft shine that feels incredibly hydrating. I was surprised at how comfortable these lipsticks were throughout the day. No dryness, no cracking, just smooth, radiant color. In terms of wear, it holds up pretty well. Of course, it's not indestructible. You'll need to reapply the gloss after eating or drinking, but the base color sticks around longer than most traditional lipsticks. For me, I wore it for a full day, and it stayed vibrant with minimal touch-ups. But if you're looking for the ultimate in budge-proof wear, this might not be the answer for you, especially if you're eating greasy foods or drinking a lot. The pros of this lip kit are pretty clear. The colors are rich and vibrant, the application is smooth, and the product is comfortable to wear. The gloss adds an extra layer of shine that gives your lips that fresh out of the makeup bag look. Plus, it's dermatologically tested, so it's gentle on the lips. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, while the base color lasts, it doesn't offer foolproof wear like some other long-lasting lipsticks. Also, the gloss, while shiny, does need to be reapplied throughout the day, which might be a deal breaker for those who prefer a low-maintenance lip look. Now, in terms of value, the price is something to consider. You're paying for a high-quality formula, and I'd say it's worth it for the comfort and the glossy finish. That said, there are cheaper alternatives if you're just looking for basic, long-lasting color without the added gloss. But if you're a fan of a full lip routine and the comfort of a multi-step lipstick, this set is a solid choice. For those of you familiar with other two-step liquid lipsticks, you may notice this one falls in the mid-range for pricing. Compared to brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal, it's a little more on the premium side, but KIKO's formula feels smoother and more hydrating, so if you're willing to splurge a bit, it's a good investment. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, making it easy to carry in your purse or makeup bag. The tube design is simple, but it feels sturdy and easy to use, with the gloss applicator being especially precise. As for longevity, the shelf life seems to be pretty standard, but I'd say you'll get your money's worth if you use it regularly. If you're not convinced that this set is worth the price, there are cheaper alternatives like NYX or ColourPop that offer similar formulas. These brands may not have the same glossy finish, but they provide great wear time and comfort. To wrap things up, the KIKO Milano Unlimited Double Touch Gift Set is a great option if you're looking for a comfortable, long-lasting lipstick with a shiny finish. It's perfect for those who enjoy a multi-step lip routine and want a product that provides both color and hydration. However, if you're after something that will stay put through everything, there are more budget-friendly options out there. If you're into luxury drugstore brands, this is definitely worth considering. If this review was helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best insights. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've tried this lip kit or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences.